Today's video is sponsored by Pouch.
Welcome to Scotland. Woo.
Over the next 2 weeks, I road trip around the North Coast 500 in my basic van setup with my new van friends. Showing you this rugged, wet and windy country in all its glory. Sharing all things van life,
The effort it takes just to go to the toilet.
all things epic landscapes and all things Scotland. Make sure to hit subscribe and drop a like for more van adventures, and welcome to Scotland.
Morning from another very windy day here in Scotland. Beautiful spot, Tarbert Ness Lighthouse. Definitely recommend it. It was nice to go for a morning walk around there. But it's time to head on for day 2 of the NC500.
We've only got a short drive this morning to Portmahomack Beach, I believe it's called. It's been recommended by quite a few people. It's not massively beach weather, but it's only 10 minutes the way we came anyway, so it's worth checking out, and we'll have a look and see what it's about. So definitely a lovely little town, Portmahomack, definitely pronouncing that wrong, but we're not going to hang around there too long, to be honest. It's not beach weather, as I said. We're going to head on to the next spot, which is Doorknock. It may seem like we're skipping these places pretty quickly, but to be honest, I really want to just get to the north and the west side of Scotland, because that's when the views and the landscapes really start to come out, from what I've heard from other people anyway. We've got plenty of time to do this trip anyway, and if the weather was nice, you know, we could probably stay here for another couple of days, but for me, I'd rather get on and spend more time at the more beautiful parts that Scotland has to offer.
So we're just taking a quick pause on the video to say a big thanks to today's video sponsor Pouch, who are continuing to support me and this channel by sponsoring today's video. For those of you that don't know who Pouch are or what they offer, Pouch is a free desktop browser extension which automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you're shopping online. It's so quick and easy to install, and let me remind you, it is 100% free. How it works is, when you're shopping online, you're wanting some new brake discs for your car, we add them to the basket, and as you can see, the total price is £36.98. Once we're at checkout, Pouch automatically pops up telling me there are discounts available. We let Pouch work its magic, and then, bloody fantastic, I've saved myself just over £19. So the total price has gone from £36 to £17. Pouch works on over 3,000 websites from eBay, Amazon, John Lewis, and so many more, so it's definitely worth downloading and giving a try. It literally takes a few seconds and you can start using it today. If you want to give it a go yourself, then head over to the link in the description, download it, and then you can start saving some money today. Right, back to the video, and thanks again Pouch for sponsoring this video. Okay, so we've just pulled into the town of Doorknock. This is only really a quick little pit stop because Charlie really wants to go to a famous bakery here, and to be honest, the town looks really pretty as well, and the sun has come out, so we'll go for a little stroll, grab something to have for lunch from the bakery, and see what Doorknock is all about, and then I think after that we're going to head to the local beach, which is nearby.
Oh, it looks closed. Can't be. Nah, it's open, it's open.
It's open, sure.
Picked up the goods for lunch from Gow Bakery. Got a panini and some sort of creamy raspberry puff pastry thing. Don't know what the hell you call it. The locals, not the friendliest people you'll ever meet. But then again, we probably do look like a pair of knobheads just with our cameras out filming things, but we'll have a look and see what it's about. So definitely a lovely little town, Portmahomack, definitely pronouncing that wrong. How it works is, when you're shopping online, you're wanting some new brake discs for your car, we add them to the basket, and as you can see, the total price is £36.98. Once we're at checkout, Pouch automatically pops up telling me there are discounts available. We let Pouch work its magic, and then, bloody fantastic, I've saved myself just over £19. So the total price has gone from £36 to £17. I thought they'd be used to seeing tourists here. Anyway, a couple of Karens in the shop, that's for sure. Look at the size of that. Absolute monstrosity.
What did you get in yours, Will?
Chicken, mozzarella, red peppers. Yeah, they don't muck about with the portion sizes here, do they? What is this?
Big creams.
Cream. What do you call that? Cake. Raspberry in the middle. If you know what this is called, whack it in the comments. Quite nice, huh? For anybody interested, there's Ed Sheeran's son. And this is Doorknock Beach. I don't think we're even going to bother getting out. Well, I'm certainly not anyway. Today's daily bit of exercise. I have no idea which car park we're in. Surely there's a bit that says you are here. Anyway, we're going to a place called Big Burn Golspie. In other words, Big Burn Falls. However long it takes, I have no idea, but it's going to be good to stretch the legs. We've not done a lot of driving today, it has to be said. Just short, sharp 20-minute drives to one spot, then to another, and then to another. But I think, from what my sister told me, this takes about an hour. So Lucy, it better be worth it, because we got places to be and adventures to do. A nice little scenic walk through nature, following the river all the way up, I imagine, until we get to some sort of waterfall. Not sure what it's like compared to Whaligoe Falls, but I guess we'll find out pretty soon. Right, we're heading back down after Big Burn Falls. What's the verdict?
Yeah, big burns. Yeah, bang
Oh, bang average, we're getting told. It was a nice stroll, to be fair. I was going to say through the jungle, but it's not the jungle, through the forest, which was quite nice. It gets a bit humid and sticky up here. I would say it's worth it if you're coming past, which probably most people are. Not the best waterfall you'll ever see, but then again, we are in Scotland, not in Bali or Southeast Asia. We are back on the road yet again. Today, so far, everything has been pretty quick fire. In, out, shake it all about, onto the next spot. And to be honest, it's not intentional, it's just because the place is visited so far, you know, there's no point hanging around. Looking forward to staying at a campsite tonight, which we're still yet to book. We're all a bit stinky, a bit sweaty and clammy, so a nice shower, fill up the water tanks, empty the toilet, all that fun stuff needs to be done. Hopefully we should make it to John O'Groats today. There's a castle that we're heading up to just to check out. It's called, here we go, Dunrobin Castle, Gardens and Falconry. As we drive past it, it's worth a visit. Oh wow, that is a pretty beautiful castle actually. Okay. I'm not usually a sort of person for this, but that is pretty nice. We're all stinge bags, £12.50 to go in.
Oh, I thought it was a photo.
No, don't worry about that. Let's get a selfie, ready?
No, don't worry about that.
3, 2, 1. So the next stint of this journey, we're continuing up the A9, but I've been told and recommended to fill up fuel now because apparently fuel stations, they come a bit few and far between. It's about 1.36 a litre of diesel and the same for petrol. We don't get this in London.
Yeah, this is all funky, huh?
There's no one here. Empty. Have you just paid for it?
Yeah, I paid through that terminal.
Yeah.
And it unlocked number 3, and now I think you've got to use that terminal to unlock yours.
All right. This is all new, this self-serve petrol station.
Let's put it in. Put it there. Yeah, in there.
What was that? £75 or £73.39 for 53.69 litres. Travelling in a van, doing road trips like this, it's not expensive. I think probably since I left England, I've probably spent about £220 just on fuel. It's not cheap, but it's worth it, especially when we get to the north and the west side. Don't ask me why, but now it feels like the NC500 has really started. I think because the road just seems a bit more remote, a bit more barren. The views have really opened up. You've got the sea on one side, You've got the trees absolutely everywhere, and it's almost as if we're just, well, we are going around the coast because that's what the A9 road does, but it's like we're circling around the mountain as well. What a freaking view. Jesus. This is the best. Oh shit, there's sheep. Oh, Jesus Christ. You can't see him. I'm trying to turn the camera. Oh my God. Bloody Nora. Okay, welcome to Scotland. Now there's just sheep crossing roads and all sorts. So far the best thing for me has obviously just been driving these roads. Big, open, and views for days.
Okay, so before we end the night at John O'Groats, or end the few hours that we've been driving today, we wanted to stop off at one more place which Charlie was recommended, which is called the Whaligoe Steps. So we've just arrived here. The drive here from where we just were, those waterfalls, or the castle, sorry, was absolutely stunning.
Oh, it's empty. I was going to sign something in it. Lauren's got a full-on blanket out.
See what we can get here, like, wrapped up for the night.
This is the best place we've been.
You heard it here first. Lauren said this is the best place we've been. Ooh. I feel like I'm in Jurassic World or something. Actually does feel like that. This is stunning. I've not seen a rock formation like this before. And there's just seagulls knocking about everywhere. Yeah, Lauren, agreed. Best place we've been to so far. Whaligoe Steps, and I don't even think it's that highly recommended. What a place. Come on in, girl.
I'm just going to take
Up we come, up we come.
it, take it easy.
All the way back up we go. 100% worth coming to this spot. Hey?
You're doing 2 at a time.
Yeah, I got long legs. 2 steps at a time. Get there quicker. Oh, makes me feel like I'm back in Nepal or Nepal. Sorry, keep mucking that one up. Trekking. Okay, 2 steps at a time. I'm out of breath already. Whew. What a spot. Can you stop trying to break into that van? What's going on with it?
The door's been locked, but it's not shut properly.
Does it always do that?
No, it's not been shut properly, and now it's half locked, half open.
That's the problem when you buy a Ford Transit. Dodgy vans. Oof! Oh, that was close, wasn't it? Almost hit you. Christ. Oh, God.
Welcome to a very wet, a very cold and windy John O'Groats.
This is tonight's park up. I'll show you in more detail in a second, but we actually just found it on Park for Night. Main car park at John O'Groats, opposite the official campervan site. No sign saying overnight parking.
Management, no, except no liability. Yeah, nice.
It's not the most glamorous of park ups, but it'll do the job for tonight. And they've got toilets, but they're closed currently.
It's pretty nippy.
There's our vans just over there. Christ, it is a bit windy here. And there's loads and loads of other motorhomes there. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 motorhomes, plus us, a motorbike gang. And Lauren's off on a slide. There we go.
Can I wee now?
In my toilet. I used their Portaloo last time, so it's only right they use mine. You're going to go for a big one in there?
I'm going to go for a big wee. No, just a wee, just a wee.
This is true friendship.
Oh, I was going to do it in your van, but
Oh, you can if you want.
I could just shut the door if you want.
How the roles are reversed. Role reversal. I've seen this before.
She's going to do one in my van. Lovely.
Have a little wee wee. Can I stop recording?
Oh, yeah. Oh, right, guys, on that bombshell of my porta potty being stolen, it's only right I return the favour. As I said last time, Charlie and Lauren let me use theirs. That's a sign of a true friendship.
Toilet transfer. Got
Got to help a brother out. Yeah, mate. You'll be right. Fresh roll, mate.
What a legend. I'm going to end this video here because I'm going to try and break down these videos every 1 to 2 days of the NC500. So this is the second day, done, finished, and we will follow up the next few days in the following videos. It's been a good couple of days. Tonight's park up, not ideal, but it is what it is. We did actually try and go to a campsite in Wick, however, everything was fully booked because we are all in dire need of a shower. But there's a place locally nearby, about half an hour away, where we're going to go and shower in the morning, empty the toilets, top up the water, and all that good stuff. Tonight is going to be pretty chilled, I think. I'm going to give myself a baby wipe shower. We're going to cook up some quesadillas, chill out, and reset and get recharged, ready for the next few days of this Scottish adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, and go and show some love to my porta potty friends, Charlie and Lauren, by subscribing to their channel. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next video.